Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can synchronize audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro using the built-in synchronization tool. I've got this video right here of me doing some woodworking. I'm going to mute the audio layer. There's a lot of background noise because this is the actual camera microphone and not my good microphone. You can hear some dog barking. And then my other one, the one from my lapel microphone, sounds like this. So it's a little bit more isolated, and I want to use that one. But how do I get them lined up with each other? I need to use the Synchronize function. So I'll select both of these, right-click, and go to Synchronize. Synchronize at Audio, and click OK. And it'll start processing through both audio files, trying to find a peak that matches up on both of them. This can take a while on some of the larger files. Okay. I can see that it has lined up nicely. Sometimes it doesn't work. Most of the time it does. It helps a lot if you clap like this, or if you have a clapboard, then it has a very distinct peak to look for, and it's easier for the program to synchronize them. So here it is with both of the audios turned on. Then I'll mute the one from the camera and just keep the lapel microphone. And it's perfectly synchronized. If you have multiple cameras or multiple microphones, you can synchronize them all this way. Just pick one track to be the master track and sync them all up to each other. One additional note is that whichever one is further back on the timeline, it will bring forward to match up to that synchronization point. So because my video here was farther back than the synchronization point, it moved that forward. Otherwise, it would have moved the audio track forward. So that's a really easy way to synchronize your audio with your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.